Okay, Josh, I have been working to. Okay, Josh, I've been working to get these aligned, and I'm not seeing any way that they line up really easily. So let me show you how I did it, and you can tell me if maybe the CAD model is different or I'm looking at it the wrong way. First, let me change my background to black, make it a little bit easier to see, and switch to a top-down view. And then really the easiest way to do it, to get these two together, is just to right-click on your instrument, go to drag instrument graphically, and then just use the mouse button to drag it over there and get close. Then you can zoom in here and you can see that I'm pretty close there. So I'm just going to hit enter and leave it kind of close there and then hide all this other stuff. I'm going to hide the IGES points. And I'm working with a slightly newer version of SA. If you see something different here, it should have all the same capabilities that you have, just a few different, a little different look here. Hide the B-splines, hide the lines. I'm going to leave the circles. Let's see any callouts there. Okay. And so then I'm going to go back to dragging the instrument. Just right click on it and go to drag instrument. And if you look here, I don't know if I'm looking at this differently or what, but it looks like they don't exactly line up with either one of these features here. And I tried even rotating it around 180 degrees. And fitting it, and that doesn't seem to work either. So let me know how you're trying to do it, and then I can help you get there. One of the easiest ways to do it would be a best fit. So let's just leave it there. And if these were lined up, I'll show you what I'd do. I'd just go and construct those points like I showed you before. There's a few there for reference. Then I've got to rename these points to what these points are called. So I'll just go to Edit, Rename, Points by Auto Corresponding to Groups, Inner Point Distance. This is my reference group, all these points in line 1. My group to be renamed is my circle centers. And let's spread out the inner point distance tolerance there to maybe 20 millimeters, 25 millimeters. So we can make sure to find them. And then you'll see what it's doing is these are called PT1, the points that you took, and the points that I made, the points that you took are called P1, and the points that I took are called PT1 through 16. So it looks like it's getting most of them correct there, PT8 to PT8, PT9. We'll hit accept. And now that those points are named correctly, let's see, we're pretty close to correct. We can turn on our point labels by pressing Alt-L and see P1 to P1, oh, P2 to P4, P3 to P2. No, that's not correct. In order to do a best fit, they have to be named correctly. So then what I would do is, once I get them named correctly, just right click on the instrument, locate, best fit. The nominals group is your circle centers. You're not going to move those. Your measured group is line 1. and then this is not going to show good, but so it shows some of them are pretty far off. But you can sort and take out the bad ones. And then refit and apply transformation, and that's going to get you pretty close to aligned just on those points. But you can see what I'm saying is the model doesn't necessarily line up with all the other points, so I'm not sure if this is the correct model or if it's looking different or what. But anyways, give that a shot and let me know what you think.